question is, could you tell me about yourself and describe your background in brief? I am Ariel Bidanya, a 22 years old, not officially professional with a background in welding and fabrication. I've been pursuing my studies in this field and gained hands-on experience through an OJT program at PBOX company during my second and third year. There I worked on various metalworks and signage projects which gave me a solid foundation in both technical skills and project execution. In addition to my academic training, I also practice metalwork at home, which allows me to continuously improve my skills and stay engaged with my new techniques. My expertise includes welding, fabrication, and working with various metal to produce high quality, durable products. The question is, how did you hear this position? I heard about this position through my friend. He works in the industry and has always spoken highly of this company, particularly its strong focus on quality and innovation. After learning more about the position and its alignment with my skills in welding and fabrication, I was excited to apply. Kim felt that my background and hands-on experience would be a great fit for this role, and I trust her judgment in recommending opportunities that align with my career goals.
What type of work environment do you prefer? Para sa akin po is opportunities for growth. Access to training, mentorship, and career advancement can motivate employees to develop their skills. And healthy work-life balance. A focus on well-being, including reasonable workloads and respect for personal time, contributes to employee happiness. How do you deal with pressure or stressful situation? Number one, take deep breaths. Deep breathing can help reduce anxiety and increase focus. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Stay calm and focused. Pause before reacting. Give yourself a moment to think before responding to stressful situations. This can prevent rash decision or reactions. Limit distraction. Identify what distracts you and find ways to minimize these interruptions.
Do you prefer working independently or on a team? There's no definitive answer to whether you prefer working independently or on a team, as the optimal approach depends on the task. However, you can demonstrate your ability to adapt to both situations by highlighting your strengths in each area. When you're balancing multiple projects, how do you keep yourself organized? When I'm balancing multiple projects, I keep things organized by prioritizing tasks, break down complex projects into steps, and tracking deadlines into ensure nothing gets missed. I rely on tools to keep everything structured like checklists, task reminders, and scheduling, scheduling systems which help me manage prioritize efficiently. For example, if one task has a strict deadline, I'll focus on that first while keeping notes on other projects so I can switch back smoothly when needed. This approach ensures that I stay on top of everything without getting overwhelmed.
Name is Paul Justin Bilibon, and I'm in major in welding and fabrication technology, and my section is 4L. And number 7 is, what did you do in the last year to improve your knowledge? Ang mga ginawa ko nung last year para ma-improve ang aking knowledge is nag-research ako tungkol sa iba't ibang mga tungkol sa research tungkol sa mga ginagawa nila, at nanood din ako nung mga tungkol sa iba't ibang mga modes, mga font na ginagamit nila tungkol sa research. Yun ang ginawa ko nung nakaraang last year.
Hi, my name is John Ruiz Titinolete. What are your salary expectation? My expectation for the salary is to be able to cover our daily expenses regardless of our position in the jobs. Even if you are just starting out, the salary should be relatively high. Are you applying for other jobs? Yes, because there are many opportunities waiting and our experience will increase and our knowledge will expand and you will also meet many other people.
My name is J. Mark M. Aristad. From your resume, it seems you took a gap year. Would you like to tell us why that was? That's right. I did take a gap year after graduation from college. It was a decision I have after much deliberation, and it was the right one for me at that time. I want to explore different aspects of the world, both geographically and extensively, before committing to a specific career. But I traveled extensively, volunteered in a developing country, and took some time to reflect on my personal and professional goals. This experience helped me gain a broader perspective, develop new skills, and ultimately become a more well-rounded individual. Thank you.